In an ever more dynamic and competitive world, where the economy expands beyond frontiers, establishing new standards all the time, there is a need for extensive preparation and competence to keep up with the changes. In this globalized world, each and every moment could be decisive. Time, security, speed, and cost make the difference anywhere. The challenge is even more daunting for a country like Brazil, with its continental size and complex transport network. However, at the very core of this country, which develops and generates opportunities, there is a national reference in the provision of services in the area of bonded logistics and general warehousing. Centro Oeste Dry Port. With cutting-edge technology and speed, this is the largest cargo terminal and also the most modern in the whole region. It was established to expand markets and also shorten the distances between manufacturers, consumers, and distributors. The main clients of the dry port are companies which are market leaders in the most dynamic segments of our economy. It integrates the country's different markets and also makes sure of the best conditions for our logistic operations.
Hoje, uma carga para ser desembaraçada em Santos ou em Vitória ou em qualquer outro porto demora em média 3 dias. Quando a gente traz isso para o interior, para um porto seco em regime de trânsito alfandegado, você consegue fazer esse desembaraço em um dia, ou seja, o ganho aí é enorme para o importador e exportador.
A gente tem um mercado bastante dinâmico e desembaraçar rapidamente para que a gente receba isso no armazém em Anápolis e depois despachar para todos os nossos clientes é fundamental.
Anápolis, where the dry port is located, is the main industrial city of the Midwest of the country. Located in the state of Goiás, it is home to a base of the Brazilian Air Force, as well as an industrial estate, which boasts the largest pharmaceutical and chemical hub producing generic drugs in Latin America, as well as several other types of industrial companies. The region is also an important logistics center within the country, being the connection between the BR-153 motorway and the BR-060, BR-040, and BR-414. Then there are the Central Atlantic and North-South railways. Infrastructure work conducted by the federal and state governments have helped to establish Anápolis as a logistics center within Brazil. Within a radius of 625 miles, we find 70% of the economically active population of our country. There are several options for storage and movement of merchandise. The significant volume of movement of cargo and the partnership between transport companies and multimodal operators ensure the lowest costs for regular freight and also in bonded transportation. The Central Atlantic Railway is the most efficient link between the Midwest, Northeast, and Southeast regions. It has a total length of 5,562 miles, crossing more than 250 Brazilian cities and towns. This is why the express train system has trailed a path of important partnerships reaching out to those maritime ports such as those of Santos, Vitória, and Salvador. A project idealized by Centro Oeste Dry Port with support of the Central Atlantic Railway and operated by Login, a company specialized in the transport of containers.
Em relação à segurança, esse é outro diferencial para o Porto Seco do Centro-Oeste em relação ao serviço completo Trem Expresso mais Porto Seco, que é basicamente devido a duas coisas. Primeiro, o container ele é um meio de transporte mais seguro, e segundo, que todo investimento que o Porto Seco Centro-Oeste fez em segurança realmente garantiram nos últimos 3 anos 0 incidências de roubo de carga e qualquer outro tipo de avarias.
The Centro Oeste Dry Port stands some 29 miles from the Goiânia Airport and 95 miles from the Brasília International Airport. This strategic location offers convenience and speed in urgent cargo transport, therefore being an excellent choice for goods with low weight and high added value. Another distinguishing factor is the permanent presence of acquiescent organizations, inspectors of the customs and also the state treasury, the National Sanitary Inspection Agency Anvisa, and the Ministry for Agriculture, which speeds up customs clearance with offices established within the logistics complex. A revolution in logistic port services and general warehouses, which boosts the whole economy. The state of Goiás has seen significant growth in foreign trade since the dry port of Anápolis started operation back in 1999. These are figures that reflect the structure of international size. Customs terminal, pharmaceutical and chemical complexes, patio for storage of vehicles, reefer terminal and cold chambers, general warehouses, mineral terminals, silos for grain, cotton terminal, container platform, and railway branch lines.
Tem essa vantagem de ter o sistema ferroviário dentro do Porto Seco. Segurança no transporte da carga, porque se a gente for fazer isso totalmente rodoviário, nós temos quase 30, 35 caminhões por dia na estrada, causando danos às estradas e tudo. E a segurança da carga, você trafegar ao invés de 30 toneladas num caminhão, você trafegar com 600, 700 toneladas na ferrovia.
Modern equipment interconnected by computerized systems ensure greater productivity and lower operational costs.
A Roche visitou as instalações do Porto Seco com seus farmacêuticos e com a equipe de garantia da qualidade. E foi constatado que o Porto Seco oferece as condições sanitárias e as condições de infraestrutura necessária para armazenar produtos farmacêuticos. Então a gente pode citar câmaras frigoríficas, controle de temperatura, redundância nesse controle de temperatura e ainda geradores em caso de falta de energia. Isso tudo favorece a armazenagem de produtos farmacêuticos, o que garante uma maior segurança para a Roche.
The most modern infrastructure and information technology allows you to keep track of your cargo at any time of the day or night from wherever you may be. Just to make sure that your goods are in the right place as they should be, all you need to do is access the internet. We meet quality standards recognized worldwide. Safety, care, and best practices make the dry port a real success story. Lending support to programs in the field of education, as also culture and citizenship, the Centro Oeste dry port goes much further. A company which knows how to move with great care something much more than special. The enormous capacity for growth in an intelligent manner. Centro Oeste Dry Port, speeding up business, bringing markets closer together.